Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Mandeville Greater Mandeville traffic management system. Now, Mandeville is trying to fix the traffic congestion that they have in the town, because with the Highway 2000 opening up to reaching Mandeville now, basically they expect a lot more persons to reach a town, a lot more investments in the town, and basically the town is going to get a lot more traffic. So the aim of the Greater Mandeville traffic management system is to eliminate congestion in the town. It is being implemented now, and when completed you will see new turning lanes, you will see conversion of some roadways to full two-way operation, new signalized intersections, added traffic lights, a new drainage system, and road rehabilitation. So the aim is to create a ring road around Mandeville to reduce traffic congestion in the town. There will be more east-west traffic instead of moving north-south. And this is the roads in Mandeville fall under the Manchester Parish Council. So the Manchester Parish Development Committee is the one that has to put all these changes into effect. And they did consultations with all the major stakeholders in Mandeville to try to find out the best way to go about it. So the roads and intersections to be signalized now under the Greater Management Traffic System include North Racecourse Road, Main Racecourse Road to Caledonia Road, North Racecourse Road to Main Street, Villa Road to Main Street, South Racecourse Road, Caledonia Road, Park Road, Park Crescent, Manchester Road, Perth Road, Greenvale Road. And this project is being done through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. And the new highways, the new section of the highway to Mandeville will open early next year. So they are trying to get all this done by January. And the turning lanes along Main Street onto North Racecourse Road, you're going to have conversion of Manchester Road into full two-way operations, and additional medians and turning lanes throughout the town of Mandeville. So basically, Mandeville is expecting a lot more traffic, and they're trying to sort out the traffic system to accommodate all of this influx that they are expecting, influx of traffic. Now, when you build a highway, it definitely has a lot of economic benefits to the areas that will benefit from the highway. So Mandeville is just trying to position themselves, or the town, the parish council is trying to position Mandeville so that it can benefit from all of the things that will come along, all of the investment opportunities, etc. Alright, so we're just taking a quick drive through Mandeville. We're going to turn around and head back to the town center now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.